Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjot and I am here with all of you to discuss the second class we will be discussing, and that series. This series is very important for all of you because, as you know, the syllabus is very vast, so it will take a lot of time to cover the whole syllabus. But with that, simultaneously, we are practicing certain case study and the MCQ questions so that till the exam comes, till the 7th of May or 14th of May, you will be prepared for both of your paper, PPB and Indian economy and Indian financial system. So you do not have to dedicate the individual time after completing your syllabus conceptual clarity to the practice. So we are starting practice with the syllabus completion. Okay. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, do let me know is audio, video both are okay. Are we good to go? And also there is one request from all of you that do share the session with your friends and colleagues who are preparing for the same exam on the multiple social media platforms. Okay. So let's continue. So before starting the session, if you haven't downloaded the Adda 24/7 application yet, then do download the application because you will get all these benefits on the application. Apart from that, you will be, if you haven't subscribed the channel Officers Adda 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. So this is the detail. Now let's start with the first question that is talking about that which of the following committee had recommended the financing to self-help groups and also the linkage of self-help group with the banks. Okay, self-help group bank linkage program and the self-help group financing recommendation has been given by which particular committee? So first is saying Kamath committee, second is saying Goipuria committee, third is saying Ghosh and Jalani committee, fourth is saying Kalia committee. So out of these four committee, which committee has introduced the self-help group bank linkage program and financing to self-help groups? So what are self-help groups? Self-help groups are simply a group of 10 to 20 people who are coming together to fulfill each other's financial needs. That is known as your self-help group. So now let me know which of the following will be correct. Okay, so the right answer is Kalia committee. It is SK Kalia committee that has recommended the self-help group bank linkage program as well as the financing to the self-help groups. Okay, and self-help groups has been introduced by the NABARD. Do remember that also. Next we have a second question that is related to your module D, that is asking about that ethical dilemma. Ethical dilemma occurs when we face what kind of situation? First, there is clash between two right decisions. Second, conflict between right and less right. Third, disagreement between right and wrong. And fourth, all of the above. So what is ethics? If we talk about ethics, ethics is simply a study of human nature. While you are studying the human nature and you are trying to know what is right and what is wrong, try to know rightfulness thing and wrongfulness thing, then that will be known as your ethics. So a systematic study of human nature or human being will be known as your ethics. So here in the PPB paper, you have to cover the business ethics. So what is business ethics? Simply to decide what kind of principle should be followed, what kind of manner should be followed in the organization at the bank branches, that will be known as your business ethics. Okay, so the question is asking ethical dilemma is what? So ethical dilemma, very good, is simply a situation where there is a clash between the two right decisions. Okay, those candidates who have joined the session, I have a request, do make sure that you be active in the session. If you are if you know the answer, do answer your questions, do answer the questions in the comment section, and also do make sure it doesn't matter that you are giving right answer or wrong right now, because we are we are at the learning situation, or we are at the learning stage. So it will be better for us to be active in the session, because this will help us in the future to save the certain memory that I have given this question's answer wrong in the YouTube session. So you will be recognizing that concept in the exam. So that's why I'm saying be active in the session. Chalo, so this is what we have discussed, that ethical dilemma occurs when there is a clash between the two rights. Next. Third question. Insider trading refers to, so it is related to the investment, it is related to the capital market terminology question. So we are asking about here that your insider trading refers to what? First, employee making use of confidential information. Second, passing on confidential information to relatives and friends. Third, trading in the stock market without informing the bank. Or fourth, all of the above. So what do you think, which of the following is known as the insider trading? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? Let me know. A, B, C and D, which of the following is correct? Okay, so the right answer will be very good. All of the above, all are the part of insider trading. Do remember, in case of insider trading, there is a penalty also, that is maximum 25 crore. Maximum 25 crore penalty will be applied on the person who found guilty of insider trading. Also, there is a reward amount. There is a reward of 1 crore to the informant. And that has been defined by the SEBI, that if any person gives us the information that the insider trading is happening or that person has done the insider trading, and if that information is correct, that person will get the 1 crore reward from the SEBI. So these are the two things which is related to the insider trading. So do remember this also. Okay. Next, the fourth question is talking about limitations of transaction in the small account, that is also known as your BSBDA. Okay, basic saving bank deposit account. Which statement are true related to the limitations? First is saying aggregate credits not more than rupees 1 lakh in a year, like you can't be able to take more than 1 lakh loan in the BSBD account, in the small account. And second, aggregate withdrawal not more than rupees 10,000 in a month. In a month, you will not be allowed to withdraw more than 10,000 rupees. Third, balance in account should not more than 50,000 at any point. So these are the three conditions that has been given under the options, and you have to tell which of the following is correct in context to the small account. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 2 and 1 only, all of the above. So which limitations of transaction are correct when it comes to the your small account? A, B, C or D, which of the following is correct? Okay, so the right answer will be all of the above. All of the above conditions are correct. With that, the another conditions are also there. The condition is that withdrawal and transfer both are allowed only 10,000 in a month. Hana? Apart from that, withdrawal transaction limit is 4 times in a month. Like in a month, you will be only allowed to withdraw your money from the account only 4 times. If you want more than that, then you have to pay the penalty for that. Like you have to pay the charges for that. Okay. Now, next one is the KYC facility will be there. KYC formalities should be done if you want a foreign remittance in the account. What is foreign remittance? Transfer of fund from one country to another is known as your foreign remittance. So if you want the money comes to your account from certain foreign relative of yours, you have to do what? You have to fulfill the KYC guidelines. Hana, you have to give the KYC document. And if you want to transfer some money from India to abroad, then also the KYC formalities are important. Hana, if you done the KYC, then only foreign remittance will be account in your account. So all these are the conditions of your small account, or you can call it a BSBDA. Okay. Now next, fifth question. Debit card can be used for. So question is talking about the debit card. So debit card can be used for which of the following functions? Cash withdrawal from ATMs, for making payment in the at the POS terminals. POS is what? Point of sale. Hana? POS simply point of sale, that machine by which you swap your card and do the payment. Third, making payment in e-commerce portal by providing card number, expiry date of the card and the CVV number. So which of the following is correct function of the debit card? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 and 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 both, all. So which of the following is the correct option? The question is talking about that the debit card can be used for which of the following function. So if I talk about the debit card and ATM, both are different. ATM card is performing only the services or only the function which has been in the ATM machine, which has been fitted in the ATM machine. Like if you want ATM card to function, it will function only those transactions, it will function only those services that has been added in the ATM machine, है ना, automated teller machine. But what is debit card? Debit card is providing you the function of online shopping and all, है ना. You can be able to make payment online. That will be your debit card. Now all the cards which we are using, they are the ATM cum debit card. That's why with the help of only a single card, we are able to perform two things. We are able to perform all the transactions of the ATM machine and we are able to do the online payment also. But both have different functions. Do remember that. So the right answer here will be all. Okay, with the help of debit card, you can withdraw cash. Yeah, you can have the POS terminal. You can have the e-commerce portal payment. Next question. One of the following statements is not true with respect to RTGS. Now, what does RTGS stand for? Real-time gross settlement. RTGS stands for real-time gross settlement. And the question is asking which of the following is not true about the RTGS. First is saying funds are transferable from the branch of one bank to the branch of another bank. Second is saying only the corporate and government department can avail of the facility. Third is saying RTGS system is maintained and operated by RBI. Fourth is saying each participant bank here of the RTGS will be required to open a dedicated settlement account for putting through its RTGS transaction. So what do you think? Which of the following is correct? Oh, sorry, not correct. Not true statement it is asking for. A, B, C or D. So if we talk about RTGS do not have a maximum limit, but minimum is there, minimum 2 lakh. If you want to transfer your fund with the help of RTGS, minimum 2 lakh and maximum there is no limit. RTGS is now available 24/7. No such conditions are there that it will not be available on the bank holiday and etc. Now RTGS is 24/7. Free of cost fund will be transferred from one bank account to another bank account under the RTGS, and the RTGS will be doing the immediate transfer of your funds. Okay, so the right option here will be your second. Any individual person can also use the RTGS to transfer the fund. Anna, it's not available only for corporate or government department. It is available for individual customers also. Do remember that RTGS and NEFT both are operated by RBI. Okay, but when it comes to the IMPS, immediate payment service, it is operated by NPCI. What is NPCI? National Payment Corporation of India. So do remember these two things also. Okay, NEFT and RTGS both are now 24/7. In NEFT, there is no minimum and no maximum limit. But in RTGS, minimum limit is 2 lakh and there is no maximum limit. So these conditions should be remembered. Okay, next. SWIFT means. Now the abbreviation question is there. I have told you so many times that do make sure you are reading the abbreviation very carefully. So abbreviation question can be asked. So the question is asking what is SWIFT? First is saying Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Second is saying System for Worldwide and International Financial Transaction. Third is saying Storage for Worldwide and Information Technology. Fourth is saying Society for Worldwide International Financial Telecommunication. So what do you think? Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is the right full form of the SWIFT? A, B, C or D? Very good. The right answer will be A, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. So SWIFT providing us a certain platform in which the global banks can transfer their messages with each other. So it provide a secured, reliable, trustable platform in which the banks will be able to transfer their messages, to transact their messages with each other. Okay, so it provides a SWIFT code, and that SWIFT code is of 8 to 11 digit. Okay, it can be of 8 digit or it can be of 11 digit. That is what the SWIFT code is. Okay, next. Its headquarter is in La Hulpe. Its headquarter is in La Hulpe. That is the nearest city of the Brussels. Okay, that is the capital of the Belgium. Okay, next. Mr. X maintains a savings bank account with your bank. He has given a power of attorney to his son to operate the savings bank account. So the relationship between the bank and Mr. X is, what relation they are having? Mr. X is having a bank account in the bank. So it's a debtor-creditor relationship, principal and agent relationship, donor and donee relationship, none of the above. Between bank and Mr. X, what relationship is there? Do remember, Mr. X have a bank account. It means Mr. X is giving money to the bank. If Mr. X is giving money to the bank, so bank will be a debtor and Mr. X will be a creditor. Because he is giving money to the bank. That's why the bank will be debtor and the customer will be creditor. Do remember that. This is banker-customer relationship. Now, next question. Remittance means transfer of funds from one branch of bank to where you are transferring money, to foreign bank, to the same branch, to the another branch of same bank or different bank, or public and private sector banks. So what does actually the remittance means? A, B, C or D? Okay, the right answer will be another branch of the same bank or a different bank. So remittance means simply the transfer of funds from one bank to another, from one location to another. You are transferring the fund, that is known as remittance. Remittance can be domestic, it can be international. Okay. Next. Which amongst the following is not term deposit issued by the commercial bank? So which of the following is not a part of the term deposit that is provided by the bank? Now, what is term deposit? In which a certain amount of money will be maintained with the bank for a specific period of time. So the right answer is current account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, or all. Which of the following is not a part of term deposit? If we talk about bank has a certain assets and liability. Assets means the loan bank is providing to the customer, and liability means the deposit which is bank taking from the customer. So liability is also known as a deposit, and it has two types: demand deposit and term deposit. Demand deposit, which is working or which works on the demand of the customer. Term deposit or time deposit is simply a deposit which has been fixed for a particular period of time. है ना? So this is what we're talking about, that which of the following is not a term deposit? Obviously current account, because current account do not have a certain maturity year. है ना? Current account and savings account are the part of your demand deposit. RD and FD, recurring account and fixed account, are the part of your term deposit. Right? So the right answer will be your A. So now let me know, out of these 10 questions, how many questions you have answered correct. Out of 10, how many questions you have answered correct? Those who are watching us recorded, do let me know in the comment section that how many answers you guys have given correct. Okay, do not forget to let me know in the comment section that how many answers you have given correct. So this is the information for all of you, that right now 81% discount is going on. That will be available till 12 PM today only. And this is the English medium selection batch started from 6th of March. And this is the English medium target batch started from 20th of February. So you can enroll in any of the batch. In any of the batches you can enroll, and you can use the code Y496. You will get 81% discount here. Apart from the batches that will cover your conceptual classes, we also have individual test series and ebooks. Okay, so to enroll in any of the product, you can use the code Y496S. For ebooks and test series, you have to add S in the end of the code, है ना? And the discount will be available 23%, and that is available till 12 PM today only. And if you want everything, if you want the target batch, selection batch, ebooks, test series, that will be available in a single product that is known as your Mahapack. So right now, On all the Mahapack, 81% discount plus the double validity is going on. That will be available till 12 p.m. and the code will be same, that is Y496. Okay, now how to enroll in any of the product you want to enroll? Just go to the application. If you haven't downloaded the application, do download it because 1% additional discount will be available there. Now just go to the application and select the JAIIB CIB section here. Hana? And if you select JAIIB CIB, these are the tabs which will be open in front of you. If you want to go with the particular batch, click on the JAIIB 23. If you want to go with the Mahapack, click here. Okay, like if you go to the batch, you will find all these are the batches and you can see test series is available here. The video courses are available here. Ebooks are also available here. Everything is available in the JAIIB 2023. Okay, so if you want to go with the selection batch only or if you want to go with any particular batch, just click on the particular batch and the process to enroll will be same for all the batches, for all the product. Then just do read all the details. You can check here that the batch started from 6th March. So AFM started from 6th March. Retail banking will start from 14th March. Indian economy will start from 17th March and the PPB will start from the 31st March. Okay. Now you can see the study plan are also available here. Clear? After checking all these, you have to click on what? You have to click on the buy now option and enter a code here that will be Y496. And click on the apply. When you apply, you will find 80% discount here only. But for 1% additional discount, you can go and use the coins on the application. Okay. And here around 3,700 you have to pay to enroll in the selection batch. Around 37 you have to pay. Okay. But more better option before this, apart from the selection batch, you have a Mahapack because they will have a 2 years validity and the 1 year validity available. Okay. And that will be covering ebooks, test series, live classes, upcoming classes like revision batches, case study batches, everything will be covered here. How to enroll? Just click on the Mahapack you want to go. Let's say you want to go with the JAIIB ka Mahapack. Do read all the details. 6 plus 6 months validity is there. It means 1 year validity is there. In the JAIIB CIB Mahapack, you will get 2 years validity. Okay. Then click enter a coupon code here Y496 and click on the apply. When you apply, you will find here 80% discount. Okay. But 1% additional discount will be available if you use the coins and around 6,200 you have to pay here. Around 6,200 you have to pay here to get the Mahapack. So there you have to pay around your 3,700. Here you have to pay around 6,200. There you will get only the conceptual classes. Here you will get everything. And that will be for the 1 year. And there you will be getting the 6 months validity only. Clear? So this is the Mahapack that is available for you. But do remember this double validity plus the 81% discount is available till 12 p.m. today. And the code to enroll will be Y496. Okay, and do not forget to join the class every day at 7 a.m. for your PPB, at 8 a.m. for Indian economy, Indian financial system for the English medium candidates. Okay, if you know someone who is looking for a bilingual class for the English medium, you can tell them that the 7:30 p.m. is the time. Okay, so to join the class, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification be given to you. Okay, so if you still have any doubt in the particular question, you can ask in the comment section. I will be checking your comment and answering there. So thank you all for joining the session.